Hello, Angel.
Hello, all of you who are watching this. Don't remember to like and subscribe.
Oh, do you want me to sit with you?
So the first what I'm going to show you, fans, is a hatchimal.
Your fans? Oh.
So it's a hatchimal that they come in a ball. Now there's new ones. And I just have one like this.
How do you turn it on? Ooh! What does it?
And it talks.
Whoa, that's clever.
It can talk. And
Should we show it to the camera? Should we show it to the camera? Ooh, hatchimal.
Yeah, it's a hatchimal.
And he's got pink feathers.
Yeah.
And he's a black one.
Yeah.
When did you get it?
From Father Christmas.
Father Christmas brought you it.
Yeah. The next thing I'm going to show is we're going to build this.
We're going to build it?
Yeah. My daddy's going to help me. A jigsaw puzzle, and it's a shopkins one. You turn the box that way.
This way, like that? Oh, on its side, I see. Oh, every time Daddy does one of these videos with... Whoa!
So there's all of those pieces with this.
Let me see. Whoa.
So my daddy's gonna do it with me, but first he's gonna get a drink.
Yeah, let Daddy get a drink. Right, where do we start?
So first we need to put these pieces over there. Let me do those. And I'll tell you the shopkin names.
Okay, tell me these names then. What's that one called?
Delish Donut.
Okay.
Pecan.
Poppy corn.
Lippy Lips.
Lippy lips.
And Sneakey Wedge.
Sneaky Wedge. That's a bit of a... How do you know all these names?
So first we're going to do it.
Okay.
First we're starting on the edge there.
Okay, so I'll show everybody what we're going to make.
That.
This one. Right, if we put that there, then we can see what we're making, can't we? Are you going to tell me all the names of the shopkins?
Apple Blossom.
What's it called?
Apple Blossom.
Apple Blossom. What's it called? Can you remember?
Can't remember.
You can't remember?
It doesn't say.
No, it doesn't say. Well, we don't know that one.
Cupcake sheet.
Oh, look at that cupcake.
Cupcake sheet.
Well done.
So those are over there.
Okay.
I need this piece.
And what are you making there?
I'm making apple blossom.
Apple blossom. If you turn them all over first. Okay.
I did that piece.
We've got these pieces.
Yeah.
Right. Right, which one's next do you think? We're making apple blossom.
Yeah, so you're making apple blossom.
It's difficult because there's a lot of different colours, isn't there?
I know.
Oh.
It's the edge of that. Look.
Ah, well done, well spotted. Oh, it's got sweet corn, looks, it goes at the top. I think that one. Yeah, shopkins.
Right.
I found another one, look. Whoa.
Good.
Yay, good one. Good one. Yeah.
Your pieces, you get more than me there.
I get more.
Yeah, those are all the pieces you get. I get little ones. You get nicer ones.
This is on the side. Makes it a very difficult puzzle for girls to do.
I'm stealing my bit.
I'm not.
This one, you didn't.
I'm not stealing your bit. You cheeky little monkey.
That was mine.
Those down there. Let's put them in the place where they go.
This one.
You love this. I think you've got some pieces missing.
Not having more pieces. Let's put this back. I put this one back.
Yeah? You want to do a different one?
I'm going to get one.
Yeah?
Um,
You want to play again?